In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a 16.9 aspect ratio image using Perplexity AI. This process is straightforward, but to ensure you get the best results, I'm going to walk you through each step in detail, incorporating some useful tips along the way. This will make it easier to follow, and by the end, you'll be confident in generating your own images. Let's start by opening Perplexity and initiating a new thread. Now, your main task here is to enter a descriptive prompt about the image you want to generate. Be as clear and specific as possible with your instructions. Think about what elements are crucial to the image and how they should be arranged, as this will guide Perplexity in creating something closer to what you envision. It's also essential to include details about the aspect ratio right in your prompt. Specifically, mention that you are looking for a 16.9 image. This could be something like, generate a 16.9 image of a sunset over a mountain range, for example. Once Perplexity processes your input and provides a response, you'll see a Generate Image button. Go ahead and click that to proceed further. This is where things get a bit interesting. You will be directed to the image generation panel. Here, look for an option labeled Custom Prompt. This feature allows you to further refine the style and even tweak the subject of your image if needed. It's a powerful tool, especially if you have a specific artistic vision or need to adjust certain elements to better suit your project. One thing to note is that Perplexity usually defaults to a square image size, something like a 2048 by 2048 pixels resolution, which corresponds to a 1:1 aspect ratio. This is important to know because you'll want to ensure that your prompt explicitly mentions the 16.9 aspect ratio, or, if possible, confirm whether Pro subscription settings offer an option to customize the resolution or aspect ratio directly. In situations where Perplexity does not inherently support a 16.9 ratio, no worries, there's a handy solution for that. You can use external tools after the image is generated to crop or upscale the image into the 16.9 proportions you desire. There are various online tools and software available that make this process quite simple and effective. Whether you are using a professional editing suite or a free online converter, you'll be able to adjust your image to fit perfectly. By following these steps, you'll have no trouble creating your very own 16.9 aspect ratio images with Perplexity AI. I hope this guide was helpful, and now you're ready to dive in and start creating your own stunning visuals.